Hey guys, it's Daniella. Welcome back to my channel. Happy November. Isn't it so crazy? Like, I can't even believe that it's November. I think it's crazy. But anyway, here we are. I'm so excited because in today's video, I'm going to be pulling out my Christmas tree and decorating it. It's kind of bittersweet because I've had this Christmas tree for years. It's a small little Christmas tree that I picked up at Walmart, and I'm gonna be retiring it this year, so it'll be my last time decorating it before I get a new Christmas tree. So I'm really excited about that. And then I have some ornaments that I haven't had the opportunity to use yet. So I'm excited to see how this Christmas tree turns out. And I thought I'd bring you guys along and share that moment with me. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. If you do, you know what to do. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not already, and yeah, let's go ahead and get decorating. The trick to making these type of trees look full is by taking your time and fluffing out each individual branch. So I didn't really purchase any new ornaments this year. Everything that I'm using, I own. I purchased them though at Dollar Tree, Walmart, and 99-cent store. So I had mentioned that I was going to purchase a new Christmas tree. I don't know about you guys, but I love after Christmas sales. They have the best deals on all of the holiday stuff, and I intend to buy my new tree and stock up on new decor and Christmas ornaments. And I'm actually going to be gifting this tree to one of my sisters. I really just wanted to decorate it one more time. There are a few finishing touches that I still need to purchase. I really need to get a new tree skirt, and I'm still keeping an eye out for a brand new tree topper. All right, you guys, so this is how the tree turned out. I think it came out so perfect. I really wanted a really Christmas snow white tree, and I got that. Let me know what you guys think about it in the comments. I'd love to hear your feedback. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.